Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional. In the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and we have here three puzzles solved: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 6324. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 19 printed digits. 19. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need. Oh, apologies. I need for 4 stars 30 minutes. This pencil 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see any single boxes here. Then the next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 2 dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Here also, let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those. Do we have here triple boxes then? Well, no triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here only 1 quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Cannot fill those numbers yet. Need to wait. Alright, then my following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction here? This is rotated, the S, but those shapes are the same. Let me mark, let me draw this shape, figure, structure, or construction, yeah. Whatever you name it. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Here, the same figure, structure, or construction. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then, a 1. And it's connected also with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. Also in this shape, figure, structure, or construction, this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Mirrored. This one is mirrored. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, rotated. Oh, Yeah, let me continue first. I see here another S shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Yeah. Overlook this one. The S shape, same as this one. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 then. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. Figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Wait. Let me see. Okay. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 or in one of those two boxes. Same for the 2. Cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and the 2, here we have another 1 and a 2. So we need a pair, the 1 and the 2 should be also there, the 1 and the 2. So one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this S construction should be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4, the 4 could be here. Could be there. Okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. But I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there and a double 1 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So here can be 2, and these two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. Now we have 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then. This box can be 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. And this quadra box should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. And this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 1 and a 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Right. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2 then. But we already have a 2 there. So no, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Right. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be here. Alright. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this S construction for number 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 2 and 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this S construction for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, let me see. Yeah. We go up to the 4. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Alright. Well, this box, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, but also cannot be a 3. If you place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it can be 3, can be a 4, so 1 digit left, should be the 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think. Let me see. 2 and 4. Need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 5, 3, and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, okay. Let me see here. We have the 1, need a 3 here, need a 5 here. Need a 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So a 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. Because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated now the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. 2 and 4, okay. 2 and 4. Yeah. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 5, 3 and a 4. This box should be also 3 and a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. Yeah, 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 4 means this box can be a 1, 2, 4 means 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5 then. Interesting, interesting. 1, 3. Well, need a 2 here. Come on. 1, 1, 2, 4. This box, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. Yeah. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. So these 2 boxes are left for the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this S construction. Z construction for number 4. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This can be 2 anymore. Okay. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Here 4, there 4. So this box should be a 5 then. Okay. Well, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area. One was the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Overlook this 3. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 here, so this box should be a 4 then. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, there's one puzzle left. The Samurai Sudoku. So, see you later for this one. Until then, bye-bye for now.